Okay, let's try this. This is a soup. I don't know what's that name. It's in Vietnamese. I got it online, and then with rice noodles. I have also my leftover. What's this?
What's that?
It's a bread. It's like a vegetable, and this one also. It's like a bread, and you dig it. It's like a bread. You dig it in the soup.
Nice.
And then it has. Okay, let's open it and try the soup. This is not the same same place where the owner of the house. This is another place, but let's see. Open natin. Ayaw ma-open sa dali. Yeah, I like to soup because it's open na. It's really good because it's complete. It has calamansi. I was really hoping because I don't have calamansi here, and the soup is always good if you have calamansi, lemoncito. I don't know how to open. Yes, it's really hot and still. Careful. Oh my god. Okay, let's try it. And then we put lemon. Parang may ano siya, parang may fish. I think I can see fried fish. Look. You put lemon in your soup. It's always good to have lemon. And then this one. Add natin to. You want some? Yes. And then let's try it. Bon appetit! Oh, it's complete with chopstick, toothpick. So it's really full and then with. So I really like that here in Vietnam. They have those they have that initiative. Nice. So good. And don't forget the leftover. I'm starting eating now one day a meal. Leftover is always good. So it has a big piece of meat.
Wow. How much was that?
This one is 60.
Nice.
But I saw that in the shop it's 35. We're the owner.
Good price.